My name's Frankie.
My name's Betty, and we're going to prank my sister Charlotte.
Our sister, Charlotte. And we're going to pour a little bit in there. And she's in the bath right now, but when she gets out, she always throws her out of there, and all dick and pad will come out and go everywhere.
It's not coming out. Let me do it.
No.
What are you doing? So, in a few minutes, my sister's going to come doing a prank on her. And she's going to come in for me.
You seem to need a lot of support.
I'm not sure I know what you mean.
I'm not sure either. I don't know you that well.
You don't know me at all.
That's right. I just know you from what you leave behind, like a tornado.
Notice how the artist used the paint. He wanted to capture a feeling as much as the flower. I want you to do the same. Use any color that expresses how the flower makes you feel. No, Donna, don't do that. There are no mistakes, guys. Great paintings often come out of mistakes. Ari, would you mind spreading out the other prints on the table? Police may have upset her. That patient they found dead was her former roommate.
Do my hair. That's stupid. Where's my clip?
Hey, did you get back?
Where's Dad? My apartment. Thought I'd give him some space and come here and maybe talk some sense into Mom. Is he okay? He's alright. For the moment.
Oh.
Have you been in Rome lately? No, no one has. Not since Mom fired my sober buddy. Okay. He may have been sober, but he was a lousy housekeeper. He left food out. Dad wants to sell the house. Maybe they should. The house, Melissa. This is our home. Please throw this away. Then we can talk.
No, if he left a mess, I should clean it up.
No,
It's
it's
okay.
Just let me do something, okay, please?
Spencer.
What is in here? Oh my God!
I told you he left food out.
I have to go wash my hands now.
Where have you been?
I got your SOS from that store. What's going on? What's wrong?
What did you say to Allison?
Frank, you've got to stop, boys!
What did you say to her? We're trying to catch her in a lie.
I don't need to catch her. Okay?
Oh, no, it doesn't matter. It went everywhere. It ain't funny no more, boys. I've got to go out with black jeans on. Mum, tell them. They're taking the mic. Shut up. No, it ain't funny. Well, like and subscribe. Are you right? Are you right?